Hey everyone, in this week I want to shine a spotlight on customer experience analytics inside of Lifecycle Manager. I think we all know what usually happens before a QBR when it comes to things like ticket data. Someone has to jump into the PSC and pull a report. Usually it's a CSV file, sent over to an account manager, and that person has to clean it up, maybe build a few charts, and by the time you get that in front of the client, it's already taken a fair bit of effort just to piece that data together. And even then, it's still incomplete. You're kind of stitching together a story from raw data. What's interesting here is that whole step just goes away. The data is already pulled from Autotask, Connectwize, and Halo. So instead of preparing data, you're actually looking at it. And more important, you are seeing trends, just not numbers. Like right away, you can see how ticket volume is trending over time. If something spikes 1 month, drops the next, that's a conversation. Was there an issue? Did something change? Did we fix something? Same with SLA performance. You are not just saying we have met SLA or we didn't. You can actually see those response time creeping up or resolutions time improving. And that's where it shifts a bit, because now you are not reacting, you're spotting things early. Then we take a look at tickets by category. This one is always telling. It shows where the friction is. Is it users' issues, connectivity, security requests? That usually signals that something either isn't working well or it isn't being adopted properly. And that's where the opportunity is. Same idea with ticket boards. You can see which parts of your ticket service are getting hit the most: help desk, security, or monitoring. It's a quick way to understand where your team is spending time and where the client feeling it the most. And then this part I really like, tickets by contact, because you are not just looking at the company, you are seeing the people inside of it. Who is submitting the most tickets? Who is struggling the most? That's your entry point. Those are the people you reach out to early to build a relationship to help them directly. And over time, those people become your champions inside the business. So when renewal or truing up comes around, it's not just a contract decision. You have got advocates. And if you zoom out just a little, when you look at all this together, it's basically a health check on the account. If tickets are trending up, certain categories are spiking specifically, your team might be overloaded. There's usually something bigger going on. Maybe a project didn't land well. Maybe a tool isn't being adopted. Maybe there's just friction somewhere. And without this kind of visibility, you're probably missing it. I think that's the shift here. It's not about pulling reports anymore. It's about actually understanding what's going on inside your client businesses and using that to have better, earlier conversations.